Hello everyone, welcome to another one of Golden View Renovation recently finished project. We are here in San Jose. We're happy and proud to present to you another general remodel that we just finished. It included a kitchen, bathroom, laundry, floors, and paint all over the house. Enjoy the video. We will present you the remodel and we'll have the client talk about the process. Come watch it.
Earlier, we had a wall going down here and another wall going down here, and the kitchen was behind this wall. And we also had a door which used to go back into the half bath there and a laundry room.
We love to host friends and family over, so having an open space would help us do that and enjoy the house even more that we already did.
Just the first conversation with Ilya itself made us feel very comfortable with him. So that actually was one of the biggest reasons why we went with Golden View. He was very communicative, and whenever there were issues, we were told immediately. The work ethic was amazing. Ilya made sure everything arrived in the house before he even started and had every single bit detailed and put down, and that carried on throughout the project. When the designer came in, we told him what we wanted. He gave us that design, but then he also gave us two more designs where the design he went with was a lot better than what we wanted and made it a lot more functional.
Looking at the 3D renderings also gave us the confidence. This project is going to turn out amazing. We're going to have an amazing kitchen at the end of it.
And all you see behind us came from their head. We were super happy with both Neer and Tal. They absolutely nailed the design there. When we started the project, we had a timeline in mind, but then we got pregnant and was going to have a baby. So the deadline actually moved up about 4 weeks. We've made changes at the last minute and they were like, sure, not a problem. And they were out of the house about a week before the deadline. The entire project from end to end, it just went beyond what we had expected. Absolutely, they have a stamp of approval and it was good working with them.
Thank you everyone for joining us. Another beautiful project here with Golden View Renovation that we're finished. And I want to take the opportunity to say thank you to Mia. Thank you to Emmy. Honestly, we've been working together for almost a year on this project. And I want to say from the bottom of my heart, I'm grateful for the opportunity to work with you guys and to have given you the service and provided you the work of Golden View. It's been a pleasure, and I'm happy to be here at that moment. Raise a toast for you guys. Raise a toast for the remodel. Raise a toast for the new member of the family.
Yes.
And thank you very much for everything.